Today at Hello Annie, I'm showing you how to make this Mediterranean chickpea salad. This is the ultimate summer salad with roasted fresh vegetables that are tossed in herbs in a homemade zingy balsamic vinaigrette. I got one medium-sized eggplant that I'm gonna slice and cube into bite-sized pieces. Add that to a baking sheet. Then you can take either one big yellow bell pepper. I just had some mini peppers on hand. You want to chop this up and put them on a baking sheet together with the eggplant. You want to season that with salt and pepper and drizzle olive oil all over. Then bake them in the oven for 20 minutes, turning them over halfway through. Meanwhile, the veggies are roasting. We're gonna cut our fresh vegetables. I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Chop them into small pieces. We're gonna chop 2 Persian cucumbers and a little bit of red onion, about half a cup. We're gonna add some aromatics to it. Fresh herbs like flat leaf parsley and cilantro. You want to chop them finely. And let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, add olive oil, the juice of a half a lemon, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt and pepper, some red pepper flakes, and a small clove of garlic. Mix it all up and let's assemble the salad. To a large bowl, add your tomatoes, the cucumbers, the onions, the chickpeas, herbs, the roasted pepper and the eggplant. You want to season it again with salt and pepper. And pour your vinaigrette. Mix it up really well and you're done. If you like, you can add some crumbles of feta cheese. Enjoy!